Welcome back. In this practice, we're going to use triangle sum properties. We're going to put them into different categories according to the size, according to the angles. According to the size, if all three sides have the same length, we call it equal length. Therefore, it's called equilateral triangle. If two sides have the same length, we call it isosceles. If none of them have the same length, we call it a scalene. By angles, if all three angles are acute angles, then this is an acute triangle. If you have one angle that is obtuse, then it is obtuse triangle. If you have one angle that is 90 degrees, then we have a right triangle. All right, very straightforward. All makes sense, right? Okay, let's look at the first one. There's no symbol on the side shows we have equal length, or two of them have equal length. Therefore, it's in the scalene. Scalene, where are you? You're here. Okay, scalene. So we're going to write down scalene. All right. Okay, let's look at by angles. We have 100 degree, that is obtuse angle. Therefore, it is obtuse triangle. All done. I'm going to change color so you can see this one has a red symbol. It is like a square, but it's a half open square. This half open gives us the idea, okay, this is 90 degree. So if you're 90 degree and you are right angle, then you are right triangle. Once again, there's no sign shows that I have two equal length. Therefore, it is a scalene. All right. Okay. Last one. Let's look at here. We have a 75 degree. We also have these two tick marks. These two tick marks tell us this side and this side, they have equal length. Remember the word isosceles. Isos tells us two are equal. Therefore, this is isosceles triangle. Remember, in isosceles triangle, if we have two equal sides in the isosceles triangle, these two base angles also have the same angle measure. Therefore, this is 75. This is also 75. Let's look at what this is. Remember triangle family, three brothers or three siblings, they only have $180 to spend. We call it 180 degrees. You spend 75. You spend 75. How much do I have? So it is 180 minus 150, and I have 30. So on the top, I have 30. Now let's look at this three angle, acute, acute, and acute. Therefore, this is a acute triangle, also an isosceles triangle. Good work. Happy learning.